In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your personal information in just a few minutes. This process is straightforward and will help you ensure that all of your details are up to date on your Google account. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head to your Google account homepage. Here, locate and click on your profile icon, which you can usually find at the top right corner of the page. This icon typically displays your profile picture or your initials if you haven't set a photo. Clicking this will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Once you've clicked that, your next step is to select the Manage Your Google Account option from the menu. This will redirect you to the main dashboard of your account settings. On this page, you're given a variety of choices for managing different aspects of your account, but for our purposes, keep your focus on navigating to the left side of the menu. Here, you're going to click on Personal Info. This section houses all the essential information linked to your account. It's where you can make updates to ensure everything reflects your current details. Once you are on this page, you'll see that your personal information is divided into different categories for easy management. First, you'll come across Basic Info. This is where you can update details such as your name, birthday, and gender. If any of these have changed, or if you simply made a typo during the initial setup, now is your chance for correction. Simply click on the section you wish to amend, make your changes, and remember to save them before moving on. Next up is the Contact Info section. Here, you can review and update your recovery email address. Adding a backup email is a smart way to secure your account further. It's also the place where you can add or update your phone number. Google uses these details to help you recover your account in the event that you forget your password or need to verify your identity. Following that, you'll want to click on the Addresses section. This is another crucial area where you can make sure that your current address is accurate. Whether you've moved recently or are planning to do so, keeping this information correct is vital for both personal convenience and security. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully edited your personal information on your Google account. This process not only helps to keep your account details current, but also strengthens the security of your account. Remember, ensuring that your personal information is up to date can save you time and hassle in the future. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.